This is a drinking coconut. This has a lot of juice.
I need to hide underneath here.
Just stick it in here. Put it on.
Hello everyone. No, you didn't take shower yet?
Alright. That's it. This is when you open it, this has no meat, like the small one. So though it's only a drinking coconut. Different than, you see the difference? This has meat, this has no meat. Big difference. The more wooden from outside means it has meat and it has no juice. The one that is not wooden, it has purely only juice.
What is this?
This is the. I will show you now. Whoa!
What is it?
Yeah, I will show you now. Wait. We are opening.
Mom, can they come off?
Yeah, come. Nice.
Wow.
Wow, that's a lot.
Nice. Yeah.
This is the other. Yeah.
Some nudity.
Every coconut comes with 3 holes over here. One of them is always soft. You see, it's soft instantly. You just you get the brush. Wait, to be opened a little bit more. There is, it's full. It's full. Because it needs to breathe. It has to breathe more. No, I need to do one more opening. That's why. But this is it's amazing. There's only one hole that works. The others they don't. Okay. بتصير جوز متى تقصنيها من هون. Now you need this tool. Okay. Last time I cracked it from the side. I'll try to crack it from the top this time. Give me that knife. Look. جرب. تدوش ما تخوف.
أكلت المرة الماضية كان مفتوحة وهي أكلت.
اوكي دقيقة يعني.
أيوة
أكلت أول مرة.
أول مرة باكل جوز هند.
الأصغر منه أحلى منه.
المرة الماضية كانت
هيدي ما فيها حلو. الأصغر فيها طعم حلو.
فتح ايدك كثير ضر.
Giving you. Come on, come on. Okay, you wanna see that?
Just a small one.
You wanna see a trick? Look at this.
Done.
No meat at all here. No meat, no. This has no meat.
No meat.
Alright. Happy coconut day. Go.